Come on. This is them. The triangular ships. Look at that, they're beautiful. This is them. The triangular delta ships that I've been filming. Fantastic, look at that. Can you see this, people? No sound. Dead quiet. There's a slight rumbling noise. Look at that. Slight noise. Just very slight. Ooh. Sounds definitely spacey. Something out of Star Trek. Look at that. That is so beautiful. He's turning around. He's checking the area out. That's them fake planes, look. He's back up here again, look. Look at this. You see that? Fake jets just flew over. And I got this delta right in front of me. Just done a complete U-turn. And he sent one of the triangle fake jets past to check the area out. And he's just sitting there, just moving very, very slowly. He's got to come around again, surely.